Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. Today's news headlines for school morning assembly. Coronavirus live updates. India records over 67,000 new COVID cases, positivity rate at 4.4%. MP's bureaucrats write to MP Modi over proposed changes to IAS rules. 60% voting in first phase of UP polls, slightly lower than 2017. Assembly election 2022 highlights voting in 5 states from February 10, counting on March 10. And now some international news. Things could go crazy. Joe Biden asks Americans to leave Ukraine soon. Use federal power. US urges Canada to end anti-vaccine protest. US inflation spikes to 7.5% in January, highest in 40 years. People cannot block traffic in the name of protest in Paris, the French police strictly barred. Police said that anyone blocking roads faced up to 2 years in prison, a fine of 4,500 euros and a 3-year driving ban. And now some sports news. India batter Ruturaj Gaikwad, who had tested positive for COVID-19, has recovered and is out of isolation. Nathan Chen won the figure skating at the Beijing Winter Olympics on Thursday. Indian Super League, Jamshedpur FC climbed to second spot with convincing win over Kerala Blasters. Indian Open 2022 golf cancelled due to COVID-19 pandemic. And these were today's news headlines. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.